Hello, everyone. Welcome to Wealth Discovery Channel, where I reveal to you the secrets of investing that the wealthy don't want you to know. Today, I'm going to show you how you can invest like a pro and beat the market by following the strategies and techniques that the rich use to grow their wealth. You might think that investing is complicated, or that you need a lot of money, or that you have to rely on financial advisors or brokers, but I'm here to tell you that none of that is true. Investing is simple, if you know the basics, and you can start with as little as $100, and you can do it yourself, without paying any fees or commissions. All you need is the right information, the right mindset, and the right tools. And I'm here to provide you with all of that, for free, because I want you to succeed and be free too. But don't just take my word for it, try it for yourself, and see the results. I guarantee you, you won't regret it. Let's get started. The first secret that the wealthy don't want you to know is to invest for the long term. Yes, you heard me right. Investing for the long term is the way to wealth, not investing for the short term. Why? Because investing for the short term means chasing the market, and trying to time it, and predict its movements. And that's a big mistake, because it makes you emotional, and prone to making bad decisions, based on fear or greed. It also exposes you to more risk, because you have to deal with volatility, and fluctuations, and uncertainty. And it costs you more money, because you have to pay taxes, and fees, and commissions, every time you buy or sell. Investing for the long term, on the other hand, means buying and holding quality assets, that have strong fundamentals, and competitive advantages, and growth potential. And that's a big advantage, because it makes you rational, and calm, and confident, based on facts and logic. It also reduces your risk, because you have time to recover from losses, and benefit from compounding, and diversification. And it saves you money, because you pay less taxes, and fees, and commissions, by making fewer transactions. Investing for the long term is the secret of the legendary, and the reason why they can outperform the market, and achieve consistent returns. But how do you invest for the long term, if you don't know what to invest in? That's where the second secret comes in. The second secret that the wealthy don't want you to know is to invest in index fund. You see, most people invest in individual stocks, or mutual funds, or hedge funds, or other fancy products, that promise high returns, but deliver low performance. And that's a big problem, because it makes them dependent on the performance of a few companies, or managers, or sectors, that may or may not do well. It also limits their exposure to the whole market, and the opportunities that it offers. And it lowers their returns, because they have to pay high fees, and expenses, and hidden costs, that eat away their profits. Investing in index funds, on the other hand, means investing in a basket of stocks, or bonds, or other assets, that track the performance of a market index, such as the S&P 500, or the Nasdaq, or the Dow Jones. And that's a big benefit, because it makes you diversified, and balanced, and representative, of the entire market, and the economy. It also increases your exposure to the best companies, and sectors, and trends, that drive the market. And it boosts your returns, because you pay low fees, and expenses, and no hidden costs, that maximize your profits. Investing in index funds is the secret of the smart, and the reason why they can beat most active investors, and achieve higher returns. Investing in index funds is what you need to do, if you want to invest like a pro. But how do you invest in index funds, if you don't know how to choose them? The third secret that the wealthy don't want you to know is to invest in low-cost, broad-based, and diversified index fund. You see, most people invest in expensive, narrow-based, and concentrated index funds, that charge high fees, and track a small segment, or a specific niche, of the market. And that's a big mistake, because it makes them pay more for less, and expose themselves to more risk, and lower returns. It also prevents them from capturing the full potential of the market, and the benefits of diversification. Investing in low-cost, broad-based, and diversified index funds, on the other hand, means investing in index funds that charge low fees, and track a large segment, or a general category, of the market. And that's a big advantage, because it makes you pay less for more, and reduce your risk, and increase your returns. It also allows you to capture the full potential of the market, and the benefits of diversification. Investing in low-cost, broad-based, and diversified index funds is the secret of the wise, and the reason why they can achieve the optimal balance of risk and reward. Investing in low-cost, broad-based, and diversified index funds is what you need to do, if you want to invest like a pro. But how do you invest in low-cost, broad-based, and diversified index funds, if you don't know how to allocate them? That's where the fourth secret comes in. The fourth secret that the wealthy don't want you to know is to invest in simple and effective portfolio. Most people invest in a complex and inefficient portfolio that has too many funds, and too many assets, and too many strategies that complicate their investing process and lower their performance. That's a big blunder, because it makes them confused, and overwhelmed, and stressed, by having to manage and monitor their portfolio. It reduces their efficiency, and effectiveness, and profitability, by having to deal with overlap, and redundancy, and conflicts, among their funds and assets and strategies. Investing in a simple and effective portfolio, on the other hand, means investing in a portfolio that has few funds, and few assets, and few strategies, that simplify their investing process, and improve their performance. And that's a big boon, because it makes them clear, and focused, and relaxed, by having to manage and monitor their portfolio. It also increases their efficiency, and effectiveness, and profitability, by having to deal with synergy, and complementarity, and alignment, among their funds and assets and strategies. Investing in a simple and effective portfolio is the secret of the successful, and the reason why they can achieve the best results with the least effort. But how do you invest in a simple and effective portfolio, if you don't know how to build it? The fifth secret that the wealthy don't want you to know is to invest in ultimate portfolio. You see, most people invest in the average portfolio, that has a mix of stocks and bonds, and a target of 60/40ths, or 70/30ths, or 80/20ths, that is based on their age, or their risk tolerance, or their financial goals. And that's a big mediocrity, because it makes them settle for less, and accept the market average, and the status quo. It also limits their potential, and their growth, and their wealth, by following the conventional wisdom, and the herd mentality, and the crowd behavior. Investing in the ultimate portfolio, on the other hand, means investing in the portfolio that has a mix of index funds, and a target of 100/0, or 90/10ths, or 80/20ths, that is based on their knowledge, or their confidence, or their ambition. And that's a big excellence, because it makes them strive for more, and beat the market average, and the status quo. It also unleashes their potential, and their growth, and their wealth, by following the unconventional wisdom, and the leader mentality, and the contrarian behavior. Investing in the ultimate portfolio is the secret of the wealthy, and the reason why they can achieve the highest returns with the lowest risk. And there you have it, the 5 secrets that the wealthy don't want you to know, and can make you invest like a pro, if you follow them. These are the secrets that I learned from the best books, podcasts, courses, and mentors, that I spent thousands of dollars and hours on. And I'm sharing them with you for free, because I want you to succeed and be free too. But don't just take my word for it, try them for yourself, and see the results. I guarantee you, you won't regret it. Once you go pro, you never go back. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.